Okay, so hello, Sis Vivi and Bro Halim. Welcome to the class and good evening. Nah, ada Sis Sofi Sari juga nih di sini, Len. Okay, hello, good evening,
Good
Francis. How are you
evening, Bro
today?
Yahya. I'm great. Thank you for sharing. How about you?
Yeah, I'm great as well. I'm very well, and but it's a little bit maybe a
Exhausted.
little bit tired. Yeah, not really exhausted, but tired maybe because I don't know. I got a new class as well, start from 5 p.m. So that and then right, when I felt that it's a really good or really interesting discussions with the members, so maybe I can feel I will not feel like exhausted like that, Francis. Jadi kalau punya obrolan yang enak kayak gitu mungkin nggak kerasa capeknya. Karena mungkin tapi tadi ngelajar bocil yang baru bocil-bocil yang masih basic kayak gitu, nah, itu harus penuh kesabaran tuh kayak gitu. Jadi tenaganya agak sedikit terkuras di sana ya tadi. Okay, and then mainly again it's around 90 yeah, 90 members by the way over there. Wow, harus gimana tuh ngadepinnya tuh kayak rame dan lain sebagainya. Jadi agak terkuras di sana lah kesabaran. But it's really okay. We can try this right now. Okay, so maybe without further ado, we're gonna open it our class tonight. Let's open by praying together first. Praying begin. Okay, finished. Thank you so much. And as I told you, we're gonna continue with our lessons yesterday first, yeah, Francis, yeah. Talking about the non-human best friend first. And let's get back. Bentar, Bren. This one. Let's continue it. We have the other question. Superstitions, by the way, Francis. Nah, kita berbicara tentang
Superstition. Tahayul.
ya tahayul. Superstition. Are you brave enough? Okay. So,
Ada. Online.
you can answer it directly. Yeah, I will not choose you. Just give me a response directly. Bro Halim, Siswa Fisari, and Sis Vivi. Jadi silakan saja langsung berikan responnya when I give you the question. So,
Okay.
what do you know about superstition? By the way, can you give me your opinion maybe or your knowledge about that?
Something that uh,
Doesn't appear.
wait a minute. Di sini tahayul sama goib sama aja kan?
Ya, sama-sama sama.
Okay. Something we can just feel, but we can see directly.
Okay.
And
Sebenarnya
something that's mysterious, but it happened.
that's the okay, the opinion from Sis Vivi. What about Bro Halim and Sis Ofisari? What do you know about superstition?
Yeah, I agree with this Vivi. This is kind of something strange and
Hmm?
also mysterious. We can sometimes we can feel it, but we cannot see. We cannot see
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Okay. What about Bro Halim? Hello, Bro Halim. Hello, Bro Halim. Are you there?
Hello, bro. Good evening. And this is Novi. I'm
Yeah,
here.
Bro Halim, how are you today?
I'm fine. I'm doing well. I just got home, sorry, late.
Hmm. Okay, it's really okay, by the way. You are the first joiners. How could you say that you were late, by the way, bro? Enggak, enggak terlambat ya, bro ya. Okay, so Bro Halim, what do you know about superstition or tahayul, bro? Do you have an idea about that?
According to, for me, I believe in Goib or
Mm-hmm.
Tahayul. So God give me a life, human and Goib in my life. So I agree with this Vivi and this Novi. I think I like that, bro.
Okay, I see. So I hope I have the other answer, by the way, by Profata. Profata, what do you think? What do you know about superstition, Bro Fatah?
Wow. What does superstition means, bro?
Tahayul.
Tahayul, okay. Tahayul, wow, that's a difficult question. Well. As far as I know, when I get a religion lesson about it,
Hmm.
when I have pengajian, ya, some pengajian, you know pengajian, bro?
Yeah, Pep, I know that.
Yeah, okay. Tahayul, superstition is a belief that cannot be proven by reason, such as the stories told by previous people from generation to generation, maybe. Yeah. Without a strong basic. For example, for illustrate, Fir'aun, Fir'aun,
Okay.
yeah. Fir'aun, which bewitched every eyes of his audience, so that it was as if their eyes saw the rope and their stick became a snake, bro. And that's all, bro. I have no idea.
Okay, yeah. So your answer that actually, as you know, that superstition is a kind of belief that we can be proven, kayak gitu ya.
Yeah.
So that's very good, by the way, bro, for answering this one. Okay, so the second question for you, Francis. I hope that you can respond the answer by your friend, and then maybe you can have the other questions because your friend's statement it's really okay, something like that. And then the second question: have you ever heard about someone has a friend from different dimension, Francis? Pernah dengar nggak teman-teman memiliki seseorang memiliki teman dari dimensi lain, teman-teman?
Yeah, I have ever heard.
Okay, so what
Actually,
was
maybe
your experience?
from the old generation. For example, my grandmother, maybe.
Okay.
Sometimes when they see the kid, I mean, baby, like a baby or something like that, they say usually they say that the baby still have playing with
Oh,
their
yeah, I see, I
friends,
see.
you know,
Because
for the imagination or
maybe
something like that.
sorry for interrupting, Sister. Maybe the
Yep,
phenomenon
yes,
is
but
when
okay.
the baby like this one, yeah, when they are sleeping directly, they
Like
just giving
smiling,
smile like
yeah,
that, yeah.
yeah,
Okay, I know that.
of
So
course.
because maybe yeah, my grandparents or my the old one by the way, maksudnya saudara-saudara yang mungkin sudah jauh lebih tua
Yeah, the
nih,
old
gitu.
one.
So they will say like that. Oh, lagi diajak ngobrol atau diajak guyon gitu atau bercanda sama temennya gitu. Okay. What about the others by the way? Kalau yang lain menurut jawaban Sis Vivi tadi ada tanggapan mungkin dari yang lain, silakan. Just give me the response please by the way, Francis. Alim or Sis Novisari, Bro Fatah.
Yeah, I have heard about someone who has a friend with different dimensions. One of the story, we know about Nyi Roro Kidul.
Nyi Roro Kidul.
Yeah, and
That's one
Yeah,
of the historical.
gitu. It's
yeah,
so cool.
that's one of the story that someone has relationship with her, but we don't know that this is true story or just issue. So I don't know about this, but I heard about this story and also Tuyul, yeah, maybe.
Okay,
Tuyul.
Tuyul. The bold guy, yeah. Okay, I see. So what about from Bro Fata or Bro Halim? What do you think? Have you ever heard someone has a friend from the other dimensions, by the way? Hello? Bro
Okay.
Fata? Bro
Okay.
Halim?
Yeah, bro. I ever heard, but it was in the movie, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So
But maybe related to the question, I have a horror story, bro.
what was
I
that,
have,
bro?
yeah. Frankly, it was real, bro. At that time, I was still in the university in Solo, Surakarta, and living in a boarding house. And there was a boarding house friend from Dumai, Riau.
Mhm.
Yeah. His name is Sham, and he is twin, bro. He was twin.
He is twin actually till
Yeah.
now.
But his twin studied in Malang, UMM.
Mhm.
Sham taught me when he was born, there was something like kuntilanak.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I love to hear that, really.
Yeah. Who asked for Sham's mother because some mother gave birth to twins. Yeah. The kuntilanak asked for one of them, but she didn't give her children to kuntilanak.
Oh my
And
goodness, wawa
yeah.
gombel itu.
Okay.
Not kuntilanak, but wewe gombel.
Oh, Gomel, yeah.
Iya,
Maybe,
kayaknya cerita itu bebek gombel ya. You may not go out when it's
Yang
already
minta anak
sunset or
kecil.
late afternoon ya. Late afternoon because you will be or was that you will be apa sih diculik lupa nih. Yeah, it's a kinda that you will be
genderuwo.
ya bukan kayak ditangkap apa ya kayak gitu ya diambil sama bebek gombel.
Iya, intinya si hantu itu minta satu dari mereka berdua itu.
Oh, I
It's
see.
real?
It's real, sis.
Is that real?
Yeah, it's real. And when my friend si Sam tadi itu grew up, he can see things or creatures of goib, supernatural ya, goib.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
supernatural.
Supernatural.
Jadi setelah dewasa itu dia bisa melihat makhluk-makhluk tersebut.
But
Yeah.
I can feel that.
And when we were in the university, he can call creatures of the supernatural at our boarding house. He ever called the creatures of the supernatural, and he wanted me to open my eyes, but I mean
You do not want.
mind eyes, mata batin apa ya? Mind eyes.
Oh.
Ya, dia ingin membuka mata batin saya, tapi saya nggak mau karena takut.
Okay.
Yeah, but I didn't want. Yeah, I feel scared at that time because he told that the ghosts were in front of his room. Wow, can you imagine that, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then another story, ada cerita yang lain juga when we climbed Mount Lawu, ya.
Okay.
After we got home at our boarding house, he told me that there's someone followed him from the top of Lawu to the boarding house.
My
Okay.
goodness.
Yeah, and said some like congratulations like that, bro. Yeah.
Oh.
Intinya si yang
But actually it wasn't disturbed ya, or the
Yeah.
things it's not disturb them ya.
Yeah, it's not disturbed.
All they
Yeah,
wanted
yeah.
to
Because
accompany.
that man doesn't because that man brave person, so
Yeah.
that thing
It's so
mysterious not
sensitive to know about
disturbed.
that, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
brave.
Okay.
And after that, sorry, Sham told me that the creature was a woman.
Mm.
Yeah, she wore a white dress, and
Maksud
after and after she said congratulations, she menghilang, disappear,
Disappear.
disappeared.
disappear.
Yeah, that's all, bro. My story.
Okay. It's a long
Oh,
story, and then we
great.
have some
I
topics
love
to
a
talk.
horror story.
Mhm.
I like it.
Okay. You really like about the horror story, something like that, this?
Oh, really? I
Okay.
like it.
Okay. So what about this? Maybe this one, Bro Halim. What do you think, Bro Halim? Have you ever heard someone who have from different dimension, and do you have any experience about that? Maybe.
Yes, bro. I think bro and sis have watched the title of film Ghost, starring Demi Moore, Patrick Swayze,
Yeah,
and Bobby
Demi
Goldberg.
Moore.
I think
Lagi
that is a
belum
picture
kurang.
that exists in our life. Uh, but I have my experience in the first touch of my duty in Jakarta in 1995, bro, in the old building. You know, old building, Museum Indonesia in Jakarta Kota,
Oh,
ex Bank Export Import Indonesia. I think first my duty in Bank Exim old building, when I control in the the second floor with my friend. I hear noise in the floor. There is follow me my in my back. So I say I remember from my parents, if you hear noise in your duty as a security guard, so you must say, don't disturb me.
oh,
Don't disturb me.
because I'm working. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
not disturb.
Not
I don't
disturb me.
disturb you, so
Yes, I do
you may
it
not
for
disturb
my
me.
work in here. I don't disturb you. So I say 2 times, and after that noise apa tuh bro? Hilang ya bro? Menghilang bro.
Nah.
Yes. I hear for my experience from my friend. There is people Holland when Indonesia companies from Holland. I think in all building that is apa ya bu? Pembunuhan massal apa tuh bu? Pembunuhan massal.
This
That-
one,
that-
suicide, pembunuhan atau berantai ya bro ya.
Yes, ketika ada
Okay.
penjajahan
Suicide.
Belanda zaman dulu. Jadi my first that duty in all building, I think is I afraid when I touch, but I with my friends. I remember from my parents said, don't disturb me when I do work in my company. That is my experience. And the second, when
Oh.
I duty in Pasar Senen, Jakarta in 2002, when I duty the midnight, I pray to God, maybe at 12 o'clock. I hear computer right.
That's being operated
Yes,
by.
right.
Wow.
So saya membatalkan sholat and
Why?
hear dan saya mendekat and I say remember from my parents, don't disturb me. I do work in my cell and I want
Yeah,
to.
good.
Okay, that's just my experience, Bu. To
Okay, I
experience
I
see.
have
my
too much experience also. Ngeri.
but that's my job.
Yeah, yeah. So I don't know why actually, Francis. Yeah, if you ask me that it's do you believe in that, by the way, Breha? So it's a kind of 50-50, by the way, because if we say I don't believe in that, by the way, but I have ever got my own experience, by the way, where they were exist, yeah, in front of. By the way, right now, I do believe that actually that things it's such as like maybe the what's that, Francis? That it's a kind of things that we couldn't see or it doesn't appear like that, yeah. So it exists, by the way, in our environment, by the way, in around us, like that, Francis. I believe in it. And but sometimes if like maybe the shaman something like that, I don't really believe in that, kayak gitu. Jadi kalau kalau mungkin kayak dukun dan lain sebagainya itu nggak tahu, saya nggak percaya sih kalau yang itu, teman-teman. But if talking
Yeah, yeah,
about the people, it
I
doesn't
do.
appear
No
like that,
belief.
yeah. Mm-mm. It's something like that. But talking about that, okay.
Oh, great.
So okay, what do you like to? Okay, what else do you like watching in horror movies, Francis? Ada yang suka hantu nih, gimana nih maksudnya nih? What do you think? What
Well,
ghost do you like watching in horror movies?
of course, I
What?
love it.
No, what
Conjuring.
ghost? Oh, Conjuring.
Oh,
Palak
Conjuring.
ya?
Because this Conjuring is based on true story, right?
Yeah. Maybe I think all of the horror movie in Indonesia,
All
okay,
the
it
horror.
start from the what's that? A true story, right? And then they made it become the film or the
Yeah,
movies like that. Okay, that's really good talking
yeah.
about that. If I say I don't believe in superstitions, maybe sometimes it's a kind of 50-50, but to the shaman, yeah, I don't know. I think I'm not kayak gitu ya. I don't believe in it kayak gitu, teman-teman, friends. Jadi nggak ada nih, teman-teman. Okay, so that's the continuing of the question. So let's back into the lessons today, Francis, ya. Kita lanjutkan ke materi kita yang hari ini. Okay, talking about satisfying answer. Jawaban yang menarik. Oke, benar. Wait, sorry. Ini mic agak nge-lag. Apa sih ini? Okay. So this one, the topic that we're gonna talk about, Francis, for today, day 12, talking about satisfying answer. Today's goals answering question more satisfyingly. Okay, ya lebih enak dan lebih menarik ya. Okay, of course. This one, the explanation or the breakdown, maybe is Swiftly or Francis, that I have to say to you. Maybe the question is only one, but you can answer it to be the 3 points or more, like that, Francis. Jadi sebenarnya pertanyaannya cuma satu. Dan intinya pasti jawabannya akan menjawab pendek. Tapi ketika diminta jawab panjang, sebenarnya itu bisa dikembangkan, teman-teman, yaitu menjadi beberapa poin yang seperti ini. Breakdownnya itu seperti ini ya, terus ya. For example, the question is, would you describe your favorite gadget, please? Nah, kan pasti cara jawabnya, okay, actually my favorite gadget is iPhone, maybe something like that, ya. And then mungkin akan berhenti di situ, kayak gitu. The black iPhone, or the type is 15 Pro Max, maybe like that, for instance, 15 Pro Max, ya mungkin seperti itu saja. But the describing about that things can be longer, ya, bisa menjadi lebih panjang, teman-teman. Ketika memang kita nanti menjelaskannya itu lebih kayak itu dengan pengembangan pertanyaan kemarin seperti itu. Yang caranya kita mengembangkannya seperti itu. Okay, so this one. So this one, the goals is be informative and knowledgeable. Nah, ketika kita ditanyain satu momen kayak gitu, teman-teman, itu yang dimaksud kita diminta untuk lebih ke informatif dan juga knowledgeable, atau kesannya kita punya banyak pengetahuan ya, teman-teman ya. Jadi tidak dengan menjawab hanya sesuai apa yang ditanyakan, tapi kita bisa menjelaskan lebih kayak gitu, teman-teman. Okay, so this one. If you describe your favorite gadget and then the mind mapping. course, BA it's only what it is, Francis. Jadi apa itu yang kamu favorite gadget itu apa seperti itu. Tapi itu bisa dikembangkan dengan breakdownnya, and then you tell about when you got it, and then or how often use it every day, yeah, and then why it is so important. Nah, itu kan bisa jadi lebih dikembangkan, lebih panjang, teman-teman. And then when you did maybe do the interview of working like that, Francis, the biasanya ketemunya kalau interview sama siapa, teman-teman? Kerjaan saya belum pernah soalnya. Kalau saya HOD sih biasanya ya, teman-teman ya. Is that true maybe, Francis? Kita biasanya
Yep.
kalau ini ya with the HOD ya. Or okay, something like that, head of division or this one. Nah, jadi itu kan otomatis untuk melihat the capacity of us ya, of saying something or telling something. Okay, if we can say more and longer, okay, using the other information and it's knowledgeable, of course they will point our capacity that we have a good capacity of doing the job. By the way, Branches, something like that. So this is the way you make it longer your answer. By the way, okay, the answer is only talking about you describe. Kan pertanyaannya cuma would you describe about your favorite gadget? Maybe I'll answer only this one, Francis. Okay, so my favorite gadget is iPhone 15 Pro Max, like that, and then the green one kayak gitu, yang warna hijau mungkin misalnya seperti itu. And then with the 3 cameras sama 3 kamera on the that, maybe itu baru menjawab pertanyaan A, teman-teman. Sedangkan if I want to mention it more because I am being questioned, okay, aku ditanyain kayak gitu, so I'll answer using this one, Francis. Oh, actually, I haven't got it, yeah, Francis, but it becomes my favorite gadget that I want to earn like that. I want to get in the future. But how often do you use it, by the way? I don't know if talking about the phone right now, it's so often I use it, maybe every day, every time I will use the phone, because sometimes if I have the like a leisure time, I'll play my phone, I'll scrolling the social media, or if I want to go somewhere and then I need my friend to accompany me, of course I'll call them, yeah, I'll give the news to my parents, and then so that I can say that it's a really often the way I use that. And then why is it important? Because right now I do believe that the phone, yeah, or the gadget support our daily life and doing anything, by the way, Francis. Okay, so just like maybe working and then killing the time or accompanying me or us, yeah, if we have nothing to do, like that, Francis. Nah, itu kan jawabannya akan menjadi lebih panjang, teman-teman. And then start from that answer or start from that longer answer. Later, the what's that? The HOD or the interviewer, the questioner, yeah, will know or they can value about your capacity, okay, using your answer that you have given to them, like that, Francis. Jadi itu sebenarnya tujuan dari konsep ini, teman-teman, seperti itu ya. We're gonna try about this one right now. Answer the speaking is like this one. Oke, jadi contohnya jawabannya seperti ini, teman-teman. Well, honestly, I don't own many gadgets. I have a PC, laptop, and a smartphone, and I can't imagine my life without either of those. Okay. However, my laptop is the most important piece of technology for me. I got it as a birthday present from my parents a few years ago, okay? And I use it nearly every day now. Although at first using it was like a rocket science for me, okay? After a few weeks, I was able to do everything I needed. For instance, from browsing websites to reinstalling the operating system, sorry. What's more, without my laptop, I wouldn't be able to do my homework for the university. Also, I use it for surfing in the internet and finding whatever I want. Okay, whether it is a piece of code for my project or a useful tip on how to cook a steak. Generally, my laptop became an essential device for me. Ini kan jadi lebih panjang, padahal yang ditanyain sebenarnya gadget. Tapi dia padahal jawabnya sudah tidak mempunyai banyak gadget ya. Tapi dengan penjelasan itu dia bisa mengembangkannya berarti seperti itu. So we're gonna try it ya to answer or using this one. This is the speaking talent, Francis. So you can choose one of them. Maybe I'll give you around 2 minutes, two things only. You serve your idea, maybe Francis. You try to get your idea, okay? So that later you are guys able to say that or explain it to me, by the way, Francis. Seperti itu. Silakan teman-teman pilih dulu topik yang mana yang mau teman-teman pilih, and then we're gonna try it after this. Seperti itu. I'll give you 2 minutes sambil teman-teman mungkin menerka-nerka apa yang mungkin nanti akan disampaikan seperti itu. It's only 2 minutes ya, start from now. Oh ya, by the way, tadi Bro Halim kan bilang ada pembunuhan berantai atau pembunuhan itu adalah pakainya I just remember that itu adalah a series homicide, bro. Kayak pembunuhan berantai, a series homicide. Series homicide. A series homicide. Or ini adalah pembunuhan berantai ya. Kalau yang ini adalah kecelakaan beruntun. Ini adalah kecelakaan beruntun. You can give this, ya, keep it.
Itu homie ya bro, homicide.
Ya, homicide.
Oke, series homicide.
Pembunuhan berantai, kalau yang series accident itu adalah kecelakaan beruntun.
Okay, thank you.
Get this vocabulary related with some of the superstitions, yeah, okay, or something that exists but we couldn't see it. Okay, Francis. So it's already finished the time. So right now, who wants to start it first? What topic do you want to tell, and then directly answer the question over there, Francis? Let's go. Silahkan yang mau mulai dulu. Is there anyone here who wants to start it first, or I'll choose it?
Okay, maybe me, bro.
Okay, let's go, Bro Fatah. What topic do you choose, by the way, Bro Fatah?
I will choose cinema, yeah, cinema.
Oh, cinema. Okay, so let's start it. The first question is, why do you think cinemas are still popular nowadays, bro? Even though people can watch movies from their homes. Okay.
Wow, that's a nice question. Talking about it, well, honestly, my point of view, yeah, I think the cinema or theater still popular nowadays, even though we can or people can watch movies from their home, our home. Perhaps there are some reasons. Maybe the first one, the atmosphere of cinemas. Yeah, the atmosphere of cinemas that can be compared with watching movies at home. like watch on Netflix, YouTube maybe. For illustrate, we can walk on the carpet. Then the lamp, sorry, the light, yeah, the light is good and comfort. Then we can smell popcorn. we can order some foods and drink. We can take a photo, take a selfie in the cinema, or maybe in the bathroom of cinema, and the comfort chairs, kursi yang nyaman tuh, kursi yang
Yeah,
nyaman.
the comfort seat,
Comfort seat ya. Oke, thank you.
bangku yang nyaman.
Ya, bangku nyaman. The comfort seat. Okay, the comfort seat. Then the second reason maybe the cinema has a good movie file quality. You know, bro, when we watch movies at home, we don't have a good device. Maybe the clearness of the picture mungkin banyak semutnya juga. Yeah.
Okay.
And the sound is not as good as the cinema. And also the size of screen, yeah, the size of screen is not as big as the cinema, yeah, it's not as big as the cinema. And then the maybe the last reason, in my opinion, the cinema can be able to be placed, to be venue to date with our friend.
Okay, our friend or our friend.
Yeah. Our friend and our friend. So from the conclusion, I think the cinema can give awesome experience instead of watching movies at home. So that's why the cinema still popular nowadays. Yeah, that's all, bro.
Okay, that's very good, by the way, Bro Fata. And then, what do you think about e-books, by the way, Bro Fata?
E-book.
Oh,
Ada lanjutannya ya. What do you think about? Okay.
I think here, sorry to say, by the way, e-books yang dimaksud kayaknya menurut saya di sini nggak tahu ya, it's all e-buku digital atau justru di sini pemesanan secara online, secara elektronik.
Gitu.
But I don't know. Actually, it related with the e-books that digital and digital books.
Okay.
So what do you think about digital books, bro?
Thank you, bro. Talking about ebook, honestly, opinion. Well, as far as I know, ebook is digital form of a book that contain some information and that can be accessed through media or device such as smartphone, laptop, etc. Nowadays, many people, many offices, many institutions using ebook to make easy to publish that can be read wherever and whenever maybe, and yeah, and it often used in daily life now, I think, especially in working world, dunia kerja.
Yeah.
Working world. For illustrate in education, it used in learning process, like in this class, speaking partners. Yeah, the tutors and speaking learning materials. Yeah, and the student or the members can open and read the material wherever and whenever. Yeah, because it easy to open it through smartphone. So from the conclusion, today technological advance bring us to what does kemudahan in English, bro? Kemudahan.
The easiest way.
Easiest way, yeah. Bring us to easiest way, even though there may be negative side. So yeah, and that's it, bro.
Okay, that's very good. So that's what you think about the cinema. So okay, that's very good. Thank you so much, by the way, for Robata for telling us about that. Yeah. So for the next, maybe I want to hear Sis Novisari voice. Hello, Sis Novisari.
Yeah, hello, bro.
Okay, Sis Novisari. So by the way, what topic do you choose, and then what's that?
Yeah, I would like to choose the topic about health. How can people be encouraged to stay healthy? Shall I
Yes.
start now?
Yep. So how
Okay.
can people be encouraged to stay healthy? Jadi gimana tuh sih orang itu bisa didukung untuk tetap sehat kayak gitu?
Yeah.
Keadaan sehat.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Talking about health is one of the most important aspects of our life, and although we tend to ignore it more often, it still remains the backbone of everything we achieve in our life. There was a time when people stopped caring about their health, but I believe in recent time, people have again become more aware of their health. Most people prefer doing some sort of physical activity in their life to make sure they are healthy. For example, they do jogging, and then when making small decisions like the food, they prefer to 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 eat healthier foods. I think as the person start getting old, they start getting the sign of bad health. This really common. So when we are getting old, and then we will realize that we get sign of bad health. So it is during that time that people realize that important of health. So people always think that health is important when they are getting older. So this is, I think, bad aspect that's
Bad habit ya, bad
yeah,
habit.
bad habit maybe. We should not think about our health when we are getting old, but it is better when we think about our health since we young. So
Yeah.
that's my opinion. So I think the best way a person can be encouraged to stay healthy is by talk or promotion using advertisements.
Advertisement. Iklan kan maksudnya si Sawisari ya?
Yeah. So this is one of the way how we can encourage people to stay healthy, and also we can motivate them by advertisement, and also we will encourage people, and then they will start to follow us how we can keep our health. So I think we can motivate others to be healthy by adopting a healthy lifestyle for themselves. So that's my opinion, how we can encourage people to stay healthy.
Okay, that's very good. I do agree with that. The main point that right now, long story short, we have to keep our mind. Yeah, we have to change our thoughts as well. that we have to keep our healthy or stay healthy start from we were younger,
Yeah.
then later we will regret when we have already been older kayak gitu ya.
Yeah.
Daripada kita nanti menyesal ketika kita sudah benar-benar tua kayak gitu,
Tua.
because we have a lot of illness or something like that. So knock on wood lah kayak gitu. Amit lah ya. Semoga kita bisa tahu. Okay, so that's really good. Thank you so much. By the way, Sis Nofisari talking about the health, and then for the next I have Bro Halim. Let's go, Bro Halim. Which one do you want to choose a topic for speaking challenge?
Hello, bro. I want to choose cinema, bro.
Cinema. Okay.
Like
Same
Bro
as
Fata.
okay, same as Bro
It's
Fata.
my experience, for my experience. Okay. Why do you think cinemas are still popular nowadays, even though people can watch movies from their homes? Oh, that is my favorite question. I think honestly, cinema are still popular nowadays, even though people can watch a movie from their home. According to me, for me, cinema is a place for people to enjoy a film show where the audience devotes all their attention and feeling to the live image they watch, and they can meet many people as entertainment and looking for a new thing. So it's not boring like at home. I think it's my opinion. And cinema in my area can be watched in Tegal, at Transmart. We can see Rita Mall, Gajah Mada Cinema, and Pacific Mall. I think not far from my home, about 50 minutes away. And I often watch the cinema at least once a month with my family.
Okay.
And my children and wife. Besides watching cinema, sometimes we can go to beach, hot spring, or entertain. I think I think there are many example, many film when I see watch in action film, horror or family film. My son like a horror film. However, I often watch action film such as Kendong Planet Apes in 2024.
Oh, yeah, I know that. I really
And
like it as well, by the way.
Yeah, I know that.
And Badland Hunter, Furiosa, Cat Hunter, and horror film. Maybe I ever watch Badarawi.
Badarawi.
And Lampir, Rambut
Lampor.
Kafan.
Lampor apa lampir nih, bro?
Lampir, and Rambut Kafan, and others.
Okay.
Indonesian horror,
I
yeah.
think in my
Indonesian
opinion,
horror.
it's very, very important as entertain, refreshing after I work, and for relaxing time with the family, my family, enjoy time with my life, my family, and I can, I got a ticket with online in my phone, cell phone, or sometime I can there with my family, and before I watch a film, sometimes I eat together in mall, and then I cooking to buy a ticket in the movie. I think that's my opinion, bro, about cinema for me.
By the way, sis, Vivi asked you, so you prefer about Indonesian horror movies ya, bro ya, Halim ya? Is that true, bro Halim? You prefer the Indonesian horror movies, bro?
Horror movie Indonesia, Badarumi.
I mean, bro Halim lebih memilih itu ya, dan maybe the Western horror movies like that.
Yes. So
Okay.
my
Yeah.
my little son like horror than my wife. So I attend of my little son.
But
Okay.
sometimes I dislike for Indonesian horror.
What's wrong, sis? Because
Yeah, because it's to like you know, maybe the most of Indonesian horror it's relate with the must always related with the religion, and it's make the pro and contra about that.
okay,
For
I see.
example, like a Makmum, you know,
Mhm.
in Makmum, it's make somebody who always do their tahajjud, that when they already watch a Makmum movie and then after that they just focus at the movie and going to be fear when they want to do tahajjud at the middle
Yeah,
night.
yeah,
Yeah,
I know.
really.
So the bad
It's a fact.
influence,
It's
yeah,
a
of
fact.
that bad impact of that
Yeah,
movie.
it's a fact. Munkar also.
And then what else? Maybe it says like, apa lagi ya? Mungkin kayak agak sedikit aneh. Yeah, maybe it's a kind of makmum ya. That
Yeah.
can make someone frightening or it's
Yeah, frightening,
frightened,
yes.
ketakutan akhirnya nantinya. Ya.
Oh, I think for the horror like this, I like yeah, recently happened in the 21 also, and it adapt from the Turkey movie, and it's based on a true story about the Sijin. Do you know about it?
Hijin?
I have ever the Sijin, ya Sijin, apa tentang dunia jin sesuai dengan surat di Al-Quran.
I don't know.
I
I
have
have never watched.
ever I have ever watched that movie in a Turkey versus
Oh,
Turkey, because it's from the Turkey and Indonesia
it's
adapted,
adapted,
and
yeah.
yeah,
Change the
adapted, and
bahasa as
yeah,
well.
it's good. It's true story, you know. It's a true story. Maybe it's you can watch it maybe in Netflix already released maybe
What's the title?
in
Sijin.
Sijin, Sijin. Jadi
Oh, okay.
itu sebenarnya kisah nyata di Turki, cuman apa tentang pendukung, dan itu ada berapa sesi, 4 sesi ya. Indonesia baru adapt 1 sesi. Kemarin itu kayaknya beberapa bulan yang lalu kan baru muncul di
Oh,
Indonesia.
yeah, I see. Okay, I will. So right now it's your turn, by the way, Sis Vivi, to do the speaking challenge. So
Yeah,
which one the topic?
actually, okay. Apa ya? Sino mau Okay, maybe I would choose the topic about health. Same with this onion. Yeah, by the way, why I choose this topic about health, because I'm a one of those people who really stays healthy and happy if I exercise. Yeah, my activities have always been interspersed. I mean, always apa diseling itu interspersed,
Oh,
pokoknya
interested.
diseling interspersed. Yeah, with exercise. I like challenging things. Yeah, in a way, in my opinion, health is a very valuable factor in life, you know. Yeah, a healthy body can make it easier for me to carry out various kinds of work and activities without obstacle. Having a fit body will, of course, produce a peaceful soul and balanced feelings. And then paying attention to health is very important for me. Yeah, and yeah, we look good and fit, but that's no excuse for not paying attention for our physical health also. But nowadays, I think, in my opinion, many young people are sport savvy. You could also say that with the FOMO, fear of
FOMO.
missing out, you know. Yeah, but the positive thing is that it doesn't matter. The most
Yeah.
important, the most it's important is that they have started trying to live a healthy life from a young age to maintain healthy stability for old age. for the when for the older one, yeah, maybe it have been already running well for the older, going to be do their exercise as always, right, for the older. But nowadays we should like a focus for the keep our health body since the young age, yeah. Why I say that? Because for me, being healthy is very important, because with health I can do anything. In fact, apart from the healthy food that I pay attention to, I'm also very diligent in exercising. I do my swim, run, and cycle.
Cycling.
Yeah, cycling. Yeah. Every running event, I try to take a part in it, and I also do a cycling myself sometimes with my cycling club also, especially for swimming. I was a swimming champion when I was a sports athlete in elementary school. Until now, I swim, and I also teach my children to swim.
Okay.
So that's why I like to focus to be health, because yeah, I feel that when I already 40 right now, yeah,
Okay.
I feel so like I'm still have Alhamdulillah, still have a good, uh,
Good
basically, or
healthy.
maybe,
Good
yeah, healthy.
physique.
I feel like enjoy about that. That's all,
Okay.
bro. Yeah.
Okay,
For
that's
my
very good.
opinion about the
Yeah.
health.
By the way, I do agree, by the way, with your opinion. Yes, especially when you told me about the FOMO, something like that. Okay,
Yeah, for
like a fear of missing out.
missing out.
Uh, so actually, it really good. It's really good for the people that, I mean, it gives our good influence, ya. Kayak gitu ya. Jadi pengaruh yang bagus sebenarnya. But you know, right? Some of the phenomena, because it's so viral and so booming, I think, of
Yeah,
running, something like that. They are that only wanted to follow
style.
the style, yeah, something like that.
Yeah, and
They
I
just
dislike it.
using this one, you know, right? The smart watch. They give it to
Yeah,
the
the
people,
best
and that
shoes.
people will run over there, and then they only if jadi kayak maksudnya
Yeah,
pakai joki
the
kayak gitu.
best shoes. Yeah.
Pakai joki
Oh
ya.
yeah, jockey. Yeah, for the running event.
Man,
For
so
only
that's
for
very
the apa ya? Flexing in social media, something like that.
yep, that's true. It's a kind of flashing in social media. So I heard that it's actually I really like this one. It's really good for you if you do or FOMO, yeah, of something like that. Then when it's good, or especially for exercising or sporting, and
Yeah.
this one that you have a FOMO and you wanted to do that, by the way, you ask or you wanted it by yourself, that you want to do it by yourself like that. Walaupun cuma sekali dua kali nggak apa-apa, ya namanya bikin FOMO, yang penting dilakuin kayak gitu. Daripada karena FOMO,
Yeah.
you only need to flexing to the others that you can get this record or something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's really bad, by the way. Okay.
And then sometimes when they just think about the FOMO, and yeah, for example, they suddenly join in the running event or something like that, and they take the distance too far and to push that, it's a fatal.
Yeah,
Yesterday
I know
happened
that.
in here in Lampung. Yesterday it happened in Lampung. She just took 5 km. At the time I joined in the 10 km. She just took 5 km, and then she got injured in his leg, and until now she like apa, sendinya jadi rusak, sendi di kakinya, karena dia dipaksa, karena memaksa diri, padahal dia nggak pernah join.
Yeah,
Hanya
it's,
untuk promo.
we have already know, and then we have to know our own capacity like that, ya.
Yeah.
Kapasitas kita lah, kayak gitu.
They just, yeah, maybe they just think that, well, running is too easy, how to run. But actually, only the run, we have to know about the technique or something like that, right? Nggak hanya
Actually,
sekedar
if
lari
you
aja.
ask me right now, that it's a kind of sport that I don't really like to do. It's running, by the way. I don't know why. Gak terlalu suka
Why?
lari. Better for me like maybe only walking or swimming.
It's okay.
Okay, it's like
Okay.
this one, the the competition sporty like that. Ya, atau yang perlombaan kayak basket, volley kayak gitu. Jadi yang lebih ada musuhnya sih. Nggak tahu kalau yang kayak gitu, especially for running, I don't really like it. Better for me
It's okay,
cycling,
bro.
something like that.
Before you run, so starting by walk.
By walk. Okay, I see. That's very good. Maybe the main point talking about health, talking about cinema, that realize, yeah, it's been a long time, by the way, that cinema appear in our daily life, but nowadays they still can popular, and they are still can popular, and yeah, our child, our relatives, which is younger than us, that they still can enjoy it, by the way, Francis. And talking about health, yeah, it depends on ourselves. We have to aware that we need to be healthy. Okay, kita perlu untuk menjadi sehat, ya. And we have to keep our health as well. Kita harus menjaga kesehatan apart from only the food, but also while exercising, something like that. And talking about a family as well, yeah, it's really important, by the way, family, because without family, we couldn't do anything, yeah. It's kind of the people who needs each other, membutuhkan sama lain. And then the nearest one is our family, by the way, Francis. So that's the important one, talking about the family. Okay, so maybe Francis, ya, talking about that tonight, we have talked about this. Jadi mungkin feedback akan saya kasih nanti beberapa kali setelah meeting. Jadi kita kadang cuman ketika meeting itu kita sharing aja, latihan speaking dulu, teman-teman. But sometimes later, if we have already had a serious topic, something like that, I will try to give the feedback. Jadi nggak selamanya feedback terus setiap harinya, tapi I hope that I will observe first, ya, after a few days maybe, so you remember or not about the insight that I give, or you maintain the better or the good things that you have, something like that. Jadi nanti coba saya observe lagi seperti itu, teman-teman. Okay, so maybe I think that's all first, Francis, about our lessons for tonight. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining the class, and thank you so much for having me. And it's time for you to take a rest. Let's close our class tonight by praying together first. Praying begin. Okay, finish. That's all from me. And the last I say, see you tomorrow and have a good night.
See you
Bye-bye.
tomorrow,
Thank
bro. Thank
you.
you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank
See you.
you.
Bye-bye,
Good
Sis
night. See you
Novi.
tomorrow.
Bye.